Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm LuceStephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up because it really helps with my channel, and turn that notification bell on, notification bell on, so you don't miss any of what was going on there, so you don't miss any of my future videos. We are kicking off the Revolution Christmas Advent calendars and gift unboxings today, baby boy, baby girl. This is the Revolution 25 Days of Glam Advent calendar. I've matched my background to it and everything. I am honestly so pumped to be able to show you this. So this is Revolution's main advent calendar this year. Obviously it is their biggest, pinkest Christmas yet, but as always I have got these through work because I need them for my day-to-day job, and I'm allowed to use them for my YouTube as well. But yeah, less blabbing, let's just get straight into it because I'm really excited, but I just want to be as transparent as possible with it. And this is worth £96, €117 or $145, and it costs £48, £54.99 euros or $60. So it's like over 50% worth of savings with the advent calendar this year. Let's take off the outer sleeve, and then as always with Revolution's advent calendars, it kind of opens up like this. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, honestly, I absolutely love that they've gone for like a pink theme this year. It's like they knew with everything that happened with Barbie, like it just fits in perfectly. Day number one is a long skinny one like this, and then all of them are wrapped up in this cute little tissue. And in day one we have a lip oil in Alexa Power, which is like this pinky toned lip oil. Let's do a little naughty swatch in my hand. That's just what it looks like here. I won't swatch everything guys, we'll be here all day. But I'll just, ooh, it's got like a fruity nice smell to it. Oh, that's nice. I've just realised I haven't done my maths. So normally what I do is I divide the price of the advent calendar by how many products you get in it, and then we can see whether each dart is worth the value of the actual dart itself. So this one is £45 divided by 25. So each dart should be worth £1.92. And I think for like a lip oil, like a full size one, that one's really good for £1.92. I'm happy with that. And then going on to day two, I honestly cannot believe that we are at that time of the year now that I'm unboxing advent calendars, like absolutely crazy. But moving on to day number two, which is like a bigger box. So we have a lipstick. Oh, this one's the shade Muted Red, which just looks like this. It is definitely a muted red. That's a very unique colour. Look how nice that is. Oh, okay, that's really cute. And then number three is again a longer one. Let's see. It's nice like having a little present when they're like all wrapped up in the tissue. And obviously you can recycle, just shove them in my recycling bin, the tissue as well. So this is the Opulence Cream Shadow. Shall be naughty and do a little swatch of this as well. Just can't help myself. Oh geez, wow, she's pigmented. Oh my god, can you see it? It's absolutely blinding. Please excuse the actually I'll get some makeup remover and I'll make my hand look less scruffy. I've just literally filmed the grease reveal, so obviously that's all up in my channel if you want to go check that out. And then moving on to day four, we have a clear brow gel in this one, which just looks like this. Next up we have day number five. We have a lip, oh, it's glaze. So we have a lip oil which is in glaze, which is like the best selling lip oil from Rev, like it's like the clear one. Okay, full size again, very happy with that. So that's day five. Then moving on to day six, which is another long one again on the other side. Another one that I'm struggling to get out. There we go. So this is a black eyeliner pencil, nice black one. Just nice pigmented black cool eyeliner. Can't go wrong with one of them. I know, like for instance, thinking about other people getting advent calendars that don't have like a ridiculous amount of makeup like what I do. I feel like that's like a very staple in somebody's makeup. Like my mum always wears black eyeliner no matter what. Then moving on to number seven, which is a slightly bigger one, as far as you can see. Some of my mess on the floor. Oh, this one, oh my god, so excited to show you this. So this is a Revolution powder puff, but it's a slightly different shape to the pink Revolution one. Obviously this one's black as well to match the vibe of the advent calendar, but the quality of this is unbelievable. Like, we have a number 8, which looks like a lip liner. Yeah, this is the Vibing Pink Nude lip liner. Oh, I couldn't get the lid off in. And then that is just what it looks like. And then for day 9, we have another tube one. I wonder if it's like another... Oh, no, I know what this one is now that I've seen a little bit of it. This is a matte liquid lipstick in the shade Mauve Berry. This colour looks absolutely stunning. Like, such a gorgeous fall colour. Look at that. Gorgeous. I didn't smell of anything. I don't know why I just wanted to sniff it then. Can you see that colour? Oh my god. Absolutely stunning. Cannot wait to wear that for fall. For autumn. So that was day... Was that day 9 or... I don't know, you can't tell with like day 6 and 9 because it depends which way around they've been put in. But anyways, moving on. Next up we have day 10, which is like a little one. And this one we have the Dare to Divulge highlighter, which I believe is actually one of like the actual names for one of Revolution's highlighters. So it just looks like this. It's definitely like a peachy, goldeny highlighter. And then this is just what it looks like. Do I dare do a little swatch? Oh my god, yeah, let's just do it. Let's just do it. That's what it looks like. Absolutely blinding. Wow. I think it's probably best to name these as like a multi-use product because yes, that is absolutely stunning, like absolutely gorgeous. However, it's not going to suit all skin tones. So I think it would have been better to not name it a highlighter and to just name it as like a multi-use product instead, because obviously you can literally use it. It's makeup, you can use it for whatever you want. But yeah, that is that is number 10. Ooh, number 11 is also a box one as well. Ooh. Oh my god, yeah. So I knew this one was in here, I just didn't know it was behind day number 11. So this is like a first for Revolution's advent calendars to actually have a super dewy liquid blush in. I think what's really excited this year is that it has some best-selling products in here, as well as like new exclusive products just to the advent calendar as well. So I feel like it works for people that collect Revolution and absolutely love it, but also works for people who maybe are new, like completely new to the brand as well. But yeah, this is the Super Dewy Blusher. This one's in the shade You Got Me Blushing. I'll do a little sneaky swatch because I can't help myself. I do actually really, really like the Super Dewy blushes. They are so pigmented, like a little bit goes such a long way. That's just what it looks like blobbed out, but let me blend it out for you to see the colour. Oh my god. Absolutely stunning. Gorge, like gorge. Let me blend it out a little bit. So that's it, like blended out, so it's really sheer. That's it, kind of like swatched. Let me rub it in a little bit more. Swatched and blended out quite heavily on my hand, and obviously that's like a full swatch. Just to show you, like obviously you can completely personalise the colours for this, but yeah, really, really exciting to actually have like a super dewy blusher in here for people that maybe don't have this colour or maybe haven't tried the super dewy blushes before. Day number 12, where are you? Like literally day 12 was like right above day 11 and I didn't even see it. So we have another this. That one's heavy. Ooh, okay, so we have another cream shadow. I never really use cream shadows that much, to be honest. This one's in the shade Bronze. Let me do like a live swatcheroo, just a little one swiper. Oh wow, that's absolutely gorgina. And then this is just what it looks like. It's very like, well yeah, bronze. I was going to say it's very like orangey. That's kind of bronze anyway, isn't it? Yeah. Stunning. I feel like I need to like learn how to use cream shadows because they scare me quite a bit. Just because I've got kind of like wrinkly, creasy eyeballs. I normally try to avoid them, but maybe I need to push myself out of my comfort zone. So that was day 12, and then moving on to day 13. I'm like really struggling to find them, but it's just me. We have another long one for for day 13. Ooh, so we have the Bombshell Coral Lip Liner, which just looks like this. It's definitely more of a corally shade compared to the other one. The other one was like more of like a pinky nude in comparison. So that's 2 lip liners that we've got so far. Ooh, number 14 is a big box. Have a look what's in here. We have like a little, oh, I wonder if it's another lipstick. We have like a little stumpy one. Yeah, another lipstick. This one's in the shade White Wedding, which is definitely one that we've had in, I'm pretty sure, in advent calendars before. It's a very like popular shade from Revolution's lipstick collections. So yeah, this is the shade White Wedding. This would probably pair really nicely with one of them 2 pinky lip liners that we've seen so far. So yeah, that is the shade White Wedding. Do you remember like this used to be old school Revolution packaging, like back in the day? I remember them J's. Then we have door number 15, which is, oh my god, heavy, which is another long one. Ooh, oh my god, so this is a matte liquid lip in the shade Caramel Nude. I feel like the colours that they've done this year have just been gorgeous. Like, I'm sorry, but that colour is absolutely stunning. And that is just what it looks like. I feel like it's a very like gingerbready, like that kind of like autumn vibe. So nice. And it's nice not to see, like, normally we have like red liquid lipsticks and stuff. It's nice not to see that. So that is day number 15. And then moving on to day 16, which is another square one. I think this is going to be similar because the other one was like a highlighter, so like it's going to be like similar vibes. Yes, we have the contour powder in Vacation, which is like a really good selling shade from Rev. Again, I feel like this should be called like a multi-use shadow instead, because you could use this as an eyeshadow, you could use it as bronzer for some people, but some people won't be able to. So I feel like it should be renamed like a multi-use powder, or if we're going to have like a highlighters and bronzers and stuff in here, have like a little 4-quad or something instead, like have a little selection instead, just that you're catering to everyone. Like I said, I know I work for the company, but I'm always going to be really, really honest, because that's what I've always been like, so I'm never going to change that. Then moving on to day 17, which is squishy. We've got a little sponge in day 17, which matches the vibe of the advent calendar, so that is that one. And then day 18 is like a really, really long one compared to the others. We have like a flat paddle brush, which you could use for like carving underneath the brows, like patting on your eye base. Could use it like to tap your concealer in. They're not really brushes that I personally reach for that much, but somebody else might get a lot of use out of them. So that is, ooh, that one, day 18. And then for day 19, we have a super skinny one. So I wouldn't be surprised if this is like another brush. Yeah, I think it's another brush. And this one we have like a very small kind of pack and on brush. Again, you could use this in a corner, you could use this to pack on like a shimmery shade, you could use this to tighten up, to tide up around the lip line, concealer, you could use this for so many things. So that is that brush. And again, I love that the packaging, like the handle and stuff, is pink to match the vibes. So that was day 19. As you all know, day 20 is the most exciting day for me in any advent calendar because it's my happy birthday. I actually know what's in this one because I had a little sneaky preview when I've been making some content for work, like some product content, not like me unboxing it, but it's actually a little mini of the Revolution best-selling translucent baking powder. You get 10 grams in this, so it's like a decent size. So yeah, this is like a little setting powder, one of our best sellers, so you can actually give it a try. The bestseller on my birthday. Very exciting. So that was day 20, the best day ever. Then moving on to day 21, which is another skinny one. Ooh, okay, so we have a medium brown brow pencil for day 21, which just looks like this. And again, I like that it's a cool toned. I think I might have said this in last year's advent calendar. I like that it's a cool toned colour and not like warm, because I normally find all eyebrow pencils are like ridiculously warm, but actually not many people have warm brows. It's very strange. So yeah, really like that it is a more cool toned brown. And then we have day number 22. which is a mirror. So it has a little circle mirror. I will say right now that I've already fed back to Revolution that no one wants mirrors and advent calendars. I've already let them know when they've asked for feedback. So basically I got asked by somebody in the product team for some feedback for Revolution's Christmas stuff for next year, because I've already started like planning next year's. So I've already fed back that nobody wants, and I'm sorry if you're one of them people that do want it, but because you get them in all advent calendars, I just feel like nobody needs a mirror anymore. Like, it's just not needed. So I have fed that back. So whether that changes anything, we shall see for next year. But I just don't feel like we need round mirrors. I personally don't need round mirrors. I've run out of friends to give round mirrors to that I've got in advent calendars over the years. Nobody uses them. It's just, I don't know why, we just don't anymore. But yeah, that was day number 22. And then we have day number 23. I also give like quite a lot of different feedback for Christmas gift and stuff as well. I fed back about like inclusivity on shades, like the contour highlighter and stuff as well. And then some other ideas. And I also spoke to my Patreon, and they gave me some feedback for me to pass across to Revolution as well. So I passed that across to the product team. So all feedback that I could think of and that my patrons could think of has been fed back. Anyways, moving on to day 23. So this is a quad. This is a blush quad. Absolutely gorgeous. So we have 4 different shades in here. But that's a bit more true to the colour. Yeah, I feel like my camera is just not enjoying having a pink. That's better. Having a pink background and trying to focus on pink products as well. But this is absolutely stunning. I've actually done a video for Revolution where I've like swatched this on my arm, and like this one, which you think, oh, it's a very, sorry, I'm not even in focus now. Yeah, this one, which you think, oh, it's a very like weird, very light colour. When you actually swatch it, it's a gorgeous peachy colour. So I think on the skin, it'll look beautiful. Yeah, really, really excited to see people receive that and see what they think. Perfect like colour story as well. That is day 23, and then we have day 24. This is another one that I've fed back that we don't need in advent calendars anymore. This is the Revolution brow pencil, which is like a brow wax pencil. I never ever use these. I'm just not, am I the only person that doesn't? Because do you like just draw it on like this? I just don't understand it. My brain doesn't get it. Yeah, like, am I the only person that doesn't really know how to use this and never really uses it? Please let me know. And then last but not least, the big daddy of all, day number 25 is an exclusive Reloaded palette. This is like the most exciting one. Perfect for Christmas Day. This is what it looks like. A completely exclusive Reloaded palette. This one's in the shade Pink Prosecco. And then this is what the palette looks like. So have like the imprint of the R's on the matte shades, and then we also have a selection of shimmers. I love that we have more mattes than shimmers. Definitely my preference. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So you could go more for like a neutrally warm eye. You could go a little bit more like burgundy and purpley. You could go more pinky, a bit more goldy, a bit more bronzy. Like, you have the selection to be able to do loads of different looks with this one palette. And yeah, I've actually swatched some of the shimmers in here. They are so foily, so shimmery and so pigmented. So yeah, that is everything that is in the advent calendar. What do you think? Do you think each day, oh my god, dropping things. Do you think each day was worth £1.92? I'd love to know what you think. Please let me know down below, and I'll hopefully see you in another video very soon. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.